Hello everyone, today I'm going to show you how to customize error pages on SiteGround. I just tap on my sorry brother. Before you creating an account, you will have to purchase the plan. So if you want to buy the premium or subscription of SiteGround, please go through the link in description. You will get a referral code from me after creating your account. So if you already have a htxs file, then add the corresponding lines by editing the file through the site and tools in Site Files Manager or using an external text editor locally on your computer. Note that some htaccess rules may prevent the custom error pages from working. So next, note that some htaccess rules may prevent the custom error pages from working. If your application needs additional htaccess rules, the function normally it is best to handle the custom error pages from the application itself via or plugin. So hope this video help you. Please don't forget to like and subscribe and get notified for more videos.